origins. If you want to live in our country, Macedonia, you must know our mentality. Yeah, the rocket suck in our country doesn't have a hole. It has a potato. We have only two weathers, hot and cold. And whenever the one is, we want the other one. We keep the bags in one bag. We smell our socks to check they're for washing or not. If you see this in the fridge, that it's not cream or ice cream, it can be beans, cheese, sarma, etc. Unhope queen. If you're walking around in our country, you are crazy. If you made a short haircut, then you are a garbage pumpkin prisoner. If you're fat, know that you're a tank. You are a barrel. You know you're crazy. Urakia in our country is used for medicine, for cleaning windows or glass, and of course for drinking. If your child is touching something and it's not stopping to do that, just tell him, or tell her, or tell it that it's pooped. When you're going to beat your child, start this conversation. I won't do it anything to you, and then pay a hush.